better than the weekend. We can take a back to what we said. Just friends. Don't wanna tell you something new. I never said I'll fall for you. I want it better than the weekend. You can show me just what I'm missing. Pretend. Don't wanna.
Hey y'all, it's your girl Angie with Blessed Creations. Welcome to my channel. If you are new, please like, comment, and subscribe to your girl. I truly appreciate it. Thank y'all for all my new subbies and my old. I appreciate each and every one of y'all. As y'all can see, y'all see a lot of hands flying. I got my grandkids over here today, y'all. Pray for me. Pray for me. Pray for me. Pray for me. No, gotta love them. Gotta love them. Anyways, really quick, y'all. I am busy trying to make these baskets, y'all. You talking about crunch time? The time is going by, and I just feel like I'm so behind, but I'm not trying to get discouraged. I let that discouragement come in one day, but no more of that, y'all. I got on here really quick just to show y'all how I created my Peeps basket.
Show that to no one.
I got on here really quick just to show y'all how I created my basket. Y'all, I'm a little distracted because, you know, I got some little company around here that is like in my ears right now. But it's okay. They can't see you from over there. They can't see you. You need to come back here, boy. Come back here. Let me introduce y'all. Okay. See right here? They can't see your face because you're all. Okay. Tell them hi. Say who you are.
Where you are?
No. Hi, I'm KG.
Hi, KJ. Where you? Who you?
What you gonna say, Jay? Tell them hi, YouTube.
Hi, YouTube.
All right, y'all. So let's get on over here and watch my video. That is my granddaughter right here, guys. Y'all see her hand. See how they doing me today, y'all? They ain't trying to let the nano be great today. We got this one flying like he's Superman. This one over here just throwing her hand like the thing. Mr. Quiet Man back here. What you say? Got to say? This is Smiley. Say hi, Smiley. Jay, they can't see your face. Because KJ keeps jumping in. So anyways, let's hot bunny, hot bunny, hot bunny, hot, hey, bunny, hot bunny, hot bunny, hot. Yeah. Say popping with banana, popping with banana, popping with banana. Hey, this is why we can't get nothing done, y'all. Anyways, y'all, let me go down here. So let's get busy making these baskets. Hope y'all enjoy. Alright, really quick, y'all, I wanted to come on here and show y'all these magazines. These I got at the Dollar Tree, y'all, for 25 cents. I was watching some lady on here. She's making baskets. I don't know if it's Tiny. I don't know. But I watched her channel, and she was showing these, and that she got them for 25 cents. And I'm like, let me go see. Let me get up. Let me go out there and check it out myself. So I went to Dollar Tree yesterday, y'all, and voila, they had these. They had them. I only got one at that time because I wanted to see if it rung up first. So I had her ring it up, and it rung 25 cents. And I paused for a minute because I was like, wait, some Dollar Trees got scanners, y'all, that you can check the price. This one didn't. Anyways, these are 25 cents ringing up. So I went back, your girl, you know what I did. I went back and got the rest of them. They had the princesses ones. Hold on. All right, so they had Spider-Man, The Adventures, and Frozen. Wait, there's another one. Hold on, y'all. I'm missing one.
What are you missing?
I'm missing a book.
Why you got two books?
So they had the Princess one, the Spider-Man, The Avengers, and Frozen. All these are ringing up for 25 cents. Alright, so let's get on back into making the baskets. this easy and simple basket making. I am going to wrap this off camera because your girl got to keep moving. I got to keep moving. I got to keep moving. So if y'all made it to the end of this video, please like, comment, and subscribe to your girl. I truly appreciate that. So y'all be blessed and go out there and be a blessing to someone else. Until next time, peace, love, and happiness.